Uh, Namaskara, Om Namo Venkateshaya. Myself, Dr. Renu Dikshit, Principal SV Ayurvedic College, Tirupati, Medical Superintendent of the hospital. So I congratulate the Girdhar Kaje sir and the team for wonderful program they have done, and the second World Summit they have conducted this year. And among them, the best thing was the Rath Yatra that they have taken. Rath Yatras are always symbolic and they take the traditions to everywhere. So not only you are taking the legacy of Ayurveda and also the tradition, but you are taking whole of the system to every nook and corner of the places. So they have traveled the seven states. They came to our college also in Tirupati. We have welcomed. We gave them very grand welcome, and it was amazing because the children were so enthusiastically participated. And you know what happens is when you any Rath Yatra like what Advani took and what we are taking out, any Rath Yatra when you are taking whole of the Ayurveda to every common people. Along with this, this is the second great summit they have conducted. In this summit, they have called all the top Ayurveda physicians here. They are giving their lectures and they are telling what is the future of Ayurveda with how we can use the technology like AI and other things, how the new instrumentation can be utilized, how the AI can be used in the diagnostic purpose, in the treatment purpose, preparation of the medicines. And along with that, one of the important feature is like the situations present where every Ayurvedic physician is suffering is about the job opportunities. So along with this, there is one point that when the Ayurveda is like now it is growing, it is the industries, every industries is taking care of Ayurveda. So whenever there are opportunities of the Ayurvedic students, so they can come for campus interviews. That will also be big opportunity for the students because when any campus interview is done, immediately when you get a job, automatically the importance of any job, any system grows when there are job avenues. When you start earning money ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಮನೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But the important thing is how you are utilizing it, how it is taken to the common people. There is a myth about Ayurveda that certain things doesn't work, it is slow working, slow acting. But you would have seen in Triple RR, they have put a snake. When a snake bite is there, even the thread worked. So there were the things where in olden days there were the things which were having effective anesthetic effects. They were very good at uh, in pain relieving, anesthesia, and other things. So there, even in the poisons, it were working. So we have lost in the meantime. Hope that it will regrow. We'll go to the traditional Vaidyas also, learn from them also. Every part of it has to be utilized. And Ayush Ministry is doing a great job promoting Ayurveda a lot. After 2014, the Ayurveda has really leap and bound grown. Even you look at the economy, if you look how the export is being done, and the import and export also, if you look into it, that is 13 times the growth of Ayurveda has been increased. It is 23 times. Okay,
Give a
so
message for society.
society, I think, be natural, go to your basics, and follow what your elders were eating and living. That is the best way of living.